Hello, today I'm in Seat Leon. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, let's accelerate to desired speed. Now take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Press this button and now press set. You can now let the acceleration pedal go. To increase the speed, press plus button. To decrease it, press minus button. You can see the current speed right here. Thanks to this button, you can change distance from following car. Thanks to this button, you can enable lane assist, side assist, rear traffic alert, front assistant systems. To disable cruise control, simply press this button again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.